Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you are enjoying at home. Yes, students. But see, you have to watch the videos, all subject videos, and give the comment also that you are watching your presently. Okay, students. In the previous video, we have learned the second chapter, that is 4 operation. In that we have learned addition and subtraction also. Yes, students. Now in today's video I am taking your revision based on second chapter. So on the screen you can see there is an example. One question is written and that question is based on addition. You can see the sign is there. So unit place is there, then tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh, and there are columns are there, place for writing carryover. Now we have to take the addition. How you are taking the addition? Now you can see 4 plus 2 is, yes, how much it is? 4 plus 2, 6. So write here 6. Now you have to see the next one. Now 8 plus 1, yes, what will be the answer? 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, that's correct. Now 3 plus 7, how much it is? 3 plus 7 is 10. But we are writing there 0 and carryover. What is the carryover? Carryover will be here. That will be the 1. Okay, students. Now let's see the another one. You can see 1, 1, 4. We have to take the addition of all that. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, you have to write your answer here. That is 6. Now the next is, what will be the next? Next is 8 plus 8, 16. That 16, 6 will be here. Yes. And the carry forward, where is the carry forward for that? In the before this, that means above the 1. So here will be your 1, carry forward. Now take the addition. Yes, now take here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, here will be 9. Okay, students, understand how to take the addition and how to give the carry over. Yes, students, you have to give the carry in that carry column and take the addition. So the answer will be how much? 9,66,096. Okay, students, understand this. If you have to check your answer is correct or not, see here the green color button is there. Yes, you have to click there. That means check. If your answer is correct, it is showing that your answer is correct. That means there is no correction is there. So after that you can see the next question. Okay, see the next question is there. Unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, the numbers are till 10 lakh. Now place is there for carryover. Now take the addition. 6 plus 1, 7. So you have to write 7 in below 1. Okay, write here 7. You have written 7. Now see the next one. See, next is 1 plus 8. Where will be the addition? Downside the 8. Okay, students. Now 8 plus 1 will be 9. So you have to write here 9. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Now here is 8 and the 7. 7 plus 8 is, yes, how much? Yes, student, 15. Yes. So 5 will be here and we are giving the carry forward 1 above the 8. Okay. So write here 5 and then where you have to write the carry forward? Above the 8. Okay. So write here 1. This is the carry forward. Okay, understand? Now you have to take the addition of which numbers? 1, 8 and 2. What will be the addition? Addition will be 11. So you are giving here 1 and carry forward 1. So write 1 here. Okay, write 1. Then next, where you are writing the carry forward? Yes, here, that means above the 9. Okay, so write 1. Understand this? Okay, now take the addition of 9 plus 1 plus 9. What will be the addition? Yes, the addition is 19. So 9 will be downside and 1 will be the carry forward. So write here 9. Written? Okay, now write the carry forward. Here will be the carry forward. So 1 is here. Now let's take the addition of all these 1, 1, 1. How many times are there? 3. So addition is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Addition will be 3. Okay, written. Now let's see the next one. The next is 7 plus 6. What will be the answer? 13. See, there is no number is there. So we are writing 13 as it is. Okay, so write here 3 and here 1. Understand? So your answer is 1 crore 33 lakh 91,597. Understand how to take the addition? Yes, students. Okay, if your answer is over, you have written the over. Now click on this check. See, yeah, there is a correction. What is that correction? You have not written the carryover. Yes. So you have to write the carryover here. What will be the carryover? 1. Now check your answer is correct or not. See, now this is correct. If you have done any mistake, the app will show you that you have done this mistake. Okay, see, I have done some mistake in that question. So the app is saying me you have not written the carry forward. So I will write that carry forward. Then again I will check my answer is correct or not. If it is showing nothing, that means my answer is correct. Okay, students, understand how to use this app and how to take the addition. Okay, that's good. Let's take one more example based on addition. But you can see here the question having 3 numbers, addition of 3 numbers. First number is 6,52,262. Yes, the second is 9,546. Yes, and the third one is 4,21,559. Yes, students? Yes or no? Okay, now we have to take the addition of all these numbers. Now 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 9, yes, 17. So 7 will be downside and 1 will be the carry forward above the 6. Okay, right here. 17 is there or 16? Or 15? What it is? Yes, students? What the numbers are? 9, 6, 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 will be there. Yes, that's correct. Now we have to give the carry forward. See, I am writing my carry forward here. So 1 will be here. Okay. Now let's take the addition of all these numbers. The numbers carry over and the below numbers. Now 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Yes, student. So 16 will be 6 here. Downside, that means below the 5. And carry forward 1 above the 2. Yes, so you have to write 6 here. And the 1 carry forward. Okay. Now let's take the addition of these two. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 will be here. Okay. And 1 is where? You have to write 1 here. Written. Okay. Let's take another addition of these numbers. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Again 13. So 3 will be here. Yes, and 1 is here. Okay, so 1 will be here. Now take the addition of this. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 will be here. Okay, now take the addition of these 2. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 8 will be here. Add this box and carry forward here. Okay, now write the addition. No number is there, so 1 will be here. Now we have to check our answer is correct or not. So click on check. See, no correction is there, that means our answer is correct. Now let's see the another one. This is for your homework. You are seeing this. Okay, you have to take the addition of numbers. First write this number in your notebook and then take the addition. Okay, and tell me the answer for this number. Okay, let's see another. Now these are the numbers of 4. We have to take the addition. Now I am giving the answer. See, this is the answer. You have to write the first question and verify this answer is correct or not. Okay students, understand the question? Yes. If you are having any doubt, you can mail me. Okay students. Now this question is for subtraction. Okay, we have just solved the examples of addition. Now we are going to solve the questions of subtraction. This question is of 59,67,612 and the subtraction is of 0 0. That means we have to subtract 0 from a number. And you remember that thing I gave you, the properties of subtraction. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, the resulting difference is the number itself. Yes, you remember this? So we are subtracting 0 from a number, so our answer will be the number itself. Yes students, you remember this thing? Okay, so the number is the number, whatever the question is there, that question itself. So here will be your answer. Yes, so you have to write the number itself. That means 5. Then the next number is 9. Okay, write the next number 9. And then the third is 6, 7, 6, here is 6, then 7, then the next number is again of 6, 1, 2. So here is 6 in the next column, 1 in the last column, 2. Okay students, understand this? So subtraction will remain the number itself. Yes. Now let's see the next question. Now this question is subtracting 894 from which number we are subtracting it? From 44,84,914. Okay, now 4 minus 4, 0. So here will be 0. Okay, now let's see the next. We have to subtract 9 from 1. Can we subtract 9 from 1? No, we can't subtract. So we have to make 1 as 11. Yes. So make it, borrow what we are borrowing. So it will become 11 and this will become 8. Yes students. So now 11 minus 9. How many? 2. How much is there? 2. Now 8 minus 8. 0. Okay, understand this? Now 4 minus 0, answer is 4. Okay, now let's see the next. Here no numbers are there, that means we have to write here 8 as it is. Okay, and the next 4 as it is. Okay, we have to write the number 4 here also 4. Now we have to check our answer is correct. If we have done any mistake, the app will tell us that you have done this mistake. Okay, now see here, we have not written subtraction error at 10 lakh place, error when subtracting 0 from 4. Okay, so see here, 4 minus 0, answer is 4. Yes. See here, 4484020. This is the correct answer. Okay, students. Let's see another. The next is similar to this. Question is subtracting 99 from 559. Yes. 55 lakh 95,536. Okay, we are subtracting 99 from this number. Can we subtract 9 from 6? No, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow. Yes, we have to borrow some number. So this will become 6 will become 16. Yes, and this 3 will become 2. Okay, now 16 minus 9, what is your answer? 16 minus 9 will be 7. So write there 7. Okay, now see, can we subtract 9 from 2? No, we can't subtract. So this 2 will become 12. Okay, and this 5 will become 4. Now let's take subtraction. 12, we have to subtract 9 from 12. Okay, so the subtraction is 3. So write there 3. Okay, now can we subtract 0 from 4? Yes, we can. So the answer is 4. In the next column, 5 minus 0, 5. In the next column, 9 minus 0, 9. The next, 5 minus 0, 5. In the next also, 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, then check your answer. So this answer is correct. Understand? Let's take one more example. This example is for you. Write this example in your notebook, in rough notebook, and try to solve this. Okay, 7 minus 0, 7. Can we subtract 4 from 2? No. So 2 will become 12, 1 will become 0. Okay, now subtract 4 from 12, the answer is 8. Okay, try this at home. Let's see another example. The next is, we have to subtract 39,287 from 7,24,966. Do this subtraction. I will give the answer, but try at least once. Okay, pause the video and try to solve. I will give the answer here. See, the answer is 6,85,679. You can see place for writing borrow, what we have borrowed. Yes, we have to took some numbers from neighboring number. That numbers we have written the above. Okay, students, understand how to take the subtraction, how to take the addition. In the Fun 2 tab, there are so many questions based on subtraction, based on addition, and that chapters are unlocked in Fun 2. So start using Fun 2 app. You can solve as many questions as you want. Okay, students? In the next video, we are going to start our new topic. Okay? Till then, be safe at home and practice the questions regularly.